I just wanted to make this video because like I haven't made one for a minute. If in case you haven't seen, I posted on my Instagram like recently, but I am basically a dad now, so it's pretty crazy to say that. But yeah, I just have to be quiet because my child is now sleeping. So yeah, so I haven't posted for a bit. I have a son now and he's 2 weeks old, so I thought I better like start making content again, and this is kind of how it's gonna go because I've been trying to make content or trying to like fit content into my schedule for a bit. It's been pretty hard, but I mean, I'm only 2 weeks in and I'm a first time parent, so it is what it is. With the video format as well, I'm thinking of just kind of keeping it like open, editing it a little less just so it feels more like just a hangout. I kind of always wanted my videos to feel that way. I really like my like short videos as well. I like the editing like kind of format, and I'll keep doing that, but I just kind of wanted to see what this would look like because I know I used to do a couple videos like this and people used to really like them and request them and stuff like that. So yeah, it's kind of like work smarter not harder type. Yeah, I just want to be able to sit down and kind of experiment without the pressure of having to make some like Grammy winning stuff. So yeah, I've installed a few extensions. In case you didn't know how to install them, you want to open up your settings. You need to be on Ableton 12 beta 12.4. You can sign up for the beta. I think you have to have the license in order to use it. We have this new like tab in the settings. We go extensions, and then if we go to the Ableton website, these are the extensions. I've just downloaded like these main ones that are on the actual Ableton website because I guess like they picked the best or their favorite ones or whatever, but you can go to the Discord as well. So anyway, I downloaded all these. You can just like, for example, click to expand, and then it will give you the download link. Most of them are from GitHub. So when you're on the GitHub website, you want to go to releases and click on that. And then you just want to download this .ablx. Some of them are in a zip folder. You want to open the zip, and then the ablx file is the one that you want to drop in, otherwise it won't work. And then once you drop it in, it will pretty much say installed, and then you just have to restart Ableton. So basically what you can do, create a MIDI clip, go to extensions. Oh, we might need to create a clip first. Click on the clip, extensions, photo MIDI, and now drop in an image. Alright, so I'm going to do this photo of my cat, and I've got a feeling it's not going to work because I think the subject needs to be like a bit clearer. Maybe I'll do this because it's got this like text which is a bit finer. Maybe if I make the note length, it gives it a bit more detail. See, it's like lower resolution. Turn off legato maybe. We can reposition it. Let's just do this. Looks pretty cool like in the arrangement. Let's try something else. I'll try and make like an actual beat with it. I think we want something that's kind of like wide, not like vertical. No. Maybe something like this. That's really simple. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And this time I'm going to snap to major, just so it's kind of like in a key. Doesn't make it look as good, but it's still... been building these instruments. I kind of feel like this should have this crazy like drum break on it. I think I want DMB breaks. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna add this in. Let's change the color because that's gross. Let's see what extensions we can use. I think this is like a... Dude, I don't know what that extension does. Alright, I think this one's kind of like a novelty. This is an algorithmic beat break beat slicer. This one here, rearrange. Maybe we should just leave it as it is. Right, this is K-Gen music. What was I gonna do? I'm gonna use Paulstretch for this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's just group this, duplicate the group, and bounce the group in place. We can mute this one. And then I can use Paulstretch on basically the whole drum group. Holy smokes. Let's try that again.